everyone, welcome to Saltable Cooking. Today we are going to see spicy burger in two ways with the same ingredients. If you have not subscribed to Saltable Cooking, if you like, please do subscribe to this channel. Let's start the recipe. In a bowl, scoop the avocado and mash it by using a fork. I'm using avocado because it's healthy compared to using mayonnaise. So now it is all well mashed. We are going to add some salt and some black pepper powder. After adding it, we are going to squeeze half lime juice. This is one amazing combination which we should never miss to taste. And you can also add chopped coriander leaves or chopped capsicum or chopped lettuce also. It gives amazing taste. Mix it well and keep it ready. Now in a pan, before heating the pan, just add some oil and we are going to add salt and 1 spoon of chili powder. This we are going to add before heating the pan. And now we are going to give it a mix. And the spice is ready for the egg. Now switch on the gas and wait for it to just heat it up. The oil and the chili powder gets heated up. We are going to add the boiled eggs. Cut the boiled eggs into two and place one by one, yolk side facing the pan. Flip and cook the eggs on both the sides. Actually it's cooked, we are just roasting it. It doesn't take much time, just 2 to 3 minutes of sauteing it is more than enough. Now it is all done. I'm going to take a mini grill pan which I use it for the sandwiches. I have taken mini burger and it's already split into two. So I have taken the second half. I'm just toasting it. And now comes the top part of the burger. After it is toasted on both the sides, now I'm going to take back the first one, the base. So the avocado mix which we have already prepared, just place it. And now comes the onion. Can also add capsicum or lettuce as you wish. And now the boiled or roasted egg, which is really spicy and tasty. It goes very good with this avocado and onion. You should really try this. So I'm going to make this piece of egg into 2 slices so that it fits good in the burger to have it very cool. So this is how it looks like. It's so tasty. Do try this. The same burger I'm going to try in a spicy way. So now I'm going to take the pan which I used for frying the eggs. I have moved the fried eggs on the sides and going to just give it a twist in the pan itself. I'm not going to toast it over here because it burns the chili powder. So I'm just going to take a twist. That's it. And now it's all done. Now I'm going to take the mini grill pan which I used already and now going to toast both the burger pieces. Just toast it with the same chili dip or chili twist, whatever you call it as. Now it's all ready. Now place the same avocado mix and onion and the roasted egg. Now comes the egg. So this also I have sliced it into 2 so that it's good to have. Do try this recipe. It's so yummy, so delicious, and this burger is tastier than the plain one which we did in the first part. So try this and do subscribe to this channel. You guys in another good recipe. Thank you.